A fisherman boards the boat while his wife looks through a pane of glass, knowing the next time she'll see him 3 weeks will have passed. Let the waves take him out and let my love bring him home. Let the waves take him out and let my love bring him home. And I came to the door. It was Michael, he was back on shore. She ran into his open arms and he proceeded to kiss her on the neck, slowly making his way up to her ear. He whispered ever so lightly, "Wake up, love, wake up, love. You're dreaming, and I know your heart is grieving for me. Let the waves take him out and let my love bring him home. Let the waves take him out and let my love bring him home." She puts on her clothes, runs to the Coast Guard's office in the corner of the bay. She bursts in and asks, "Have you heard from Michael? Is he safe?" The Coast Guard replied, "Lorraine, you're driving me insane. This is the second time today that you've been in. Michael phoned in this morning. He said a storm was hauling, but he'll be home soon. He'll be home soon. Let the waves take him out and let my love bring him home. Let the waves take him out and let my love bring him home." 3 weeks have passed and Michael is nowhere to be seen. She still sits by that same pane of glass, drinking tea and clutching ever so tightly to a rosary beads, counting them endlessly. And Michael, if you hear this, I'm thinking of you. So please come home, please come home, please come, come. Let the waves take him out and let my love bring him home.